Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
A live look, it kind of looks like a postcard over Lexington Hill in Butte County tonight as the sun starts to go down on this really warm winter evening.
It's just a beautiful day the last couple of days, although windy today.
Yeah.
Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff joins us now. Is that going to be sticking around too, Jason?
It is, and then some. We actually expect stronger wind tomorrow, which I don't think anyone's really going to be a big a fan about, but we're going to have a lot of clear sky. It will actually be cooler tomorrow as a cold front passes by our region. There's an inside slider, as we term it, a storm that's moving over eastern Oregon into the northern part of Nevada, and that is causing all of our strong winds. So wind advisory for tomorrow from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Sustained wind 20 to 30, but gusts upwards of 50 miles an hour will still be possible. But look at the temperatures, pretty easy to take. Very warm if you subtract that wind out of there. It feels really good. Currently 68 degrees in Chico. It's 66 degrees in Paradise, 72 in Red Bluff, even 48 degrees in Alturas. We'll take that for the last week of February. Very little cloud cover around the entire region today, and that's the way it's going to be for the next 24 hours or so. A mostly clear sky tonight and a mostly sunny sky on Wednesday, but that wind will be howling even stronger than it was today. We expect increasing clouds on Thursday. I wish they were bringing us a good chance for rain and snow, but that is just not in the forecast. The wind will be weaker. Still going to call it breezy on Thursday, but that wind is going to return Friday into Saturday. Here, as you can see, our future cast for the wind gusts, even by noon tomorrow. A lot of valley locations with wind gusts between 40 and 45 miles an hour all the way northward from Redding all the way from Willows to Redding. And as you can see, the wind will still be blowing tomorrow evening into the overnight hours. As I said, it's going to be weaker on Thursday, but still breezy to locally gusty at times, and we'll still have more of that wind coming Friday and Saturday when yet another inside slider moves our way. It moves into eastern Oregon, into northern Nevada, clipping northeastern California. It's not going to give us a good chance for rain or snow, but it will give us that wind again. So here's your forecast for Wednesday. A mostly sunny and mild day for the northern mountains, just not as warm as it was today. Expecting a low of 25 and a high of 50 in Wairika. For northeastern California, it's going to be a little bit chilly tonight. Not as windy here as it's going to be in the valley. Lows in the teens and 20s, highs from the upper 30s to the upper 40s under that mostly sunny sky. For the ridge, we're also going to have that temperature dropping down a little bit more tomorrow morning. 30s and 40s for lows. The highs not as warm as today, but they're still going to be above average. 57 degrees for Magalia, 58 degrees for a high in Paradise. Also, despite the wind blowing around tonight, it will be cooling down for the valley underneath that clear sky. Lows in the upper 30s and lower 40s. Highs tomorrow significantly cooler than today, about 10 degrees cooler for most of us. Highs between 62 and 65 degrees. In the Chico area, also a clear sky tonight with the breezes still blowing. You'll probably hear the window panes rattling. Lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs tomorrow in the lower to mid 60s, and it is going to be windy past sunset tomorrow night. The next 7 days in Chico, we have a lot more wind than anything else in this forecast. Plenty of sunshine too. Windiest days will be tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. No good chances for wet weather all the way through early next week. And for Redding, we also expect plenty of wind tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. Lingering breezes Thursday and Sunday, and only the slightest of chances for wet weather early next week.
Thanks, Jason.